Did you see the news?
I don't really care.
There's a serial killer on the loose.
Are you serious?
We have to be very careful. I gotta go protect the cereal.
That's not what it means.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah? What's going on?
There's a serial killer coming after you.
I don't want him to get me.
I'll protect you guys with my life.
Where is it?
I think he's outside.
I'm so scared.
I'm gonna find it.
How did he get in here?
Be quiet.
There it is. He found us.
Any last words?
Tell my family I love them.
Stay away from my cereal.
I don't want your cereal.
Then what do you want?
I'm after you.
Wait, what?
You can just take all the cereal.